Welcome back to Start E-Learning. So in last video we have discussed about the introduction regarding this C programming. In this video we are going to discuss about the heart of our C programming, that is control statements. Okay, so the control statements. So control statements are known as the heart of our C programming. So control statements are broadly categorized into three. So they are selection statements, next loop control statements, and then jump statements. So when we come to these selection statements are also known as decision making statements. Okay, so selection statements, loop control statements and jump statements are used for if we wanted to execute a particular part of the program, means in that case we are using these control statements. Okay, so let me explain one basic program. So that is void main. I'm just declaring one variable, that is with the integer data type a. Here itself I am assigning. Likewise, I'm just using a CLR SCR function in order to remove the previous program output. Okay, so I'm just using CLR SCR function. This function is used whenever we want the clear output screen. In that case this CLR SCR function is used. Okay, so now I'm just trying to print this a value. Okay, for that printf. So printf is a output statement. Okay, so this is the output function. So I am just trying to print this value, right? I am just giving a. So you just get ch. So likewise, so if we wanted to print anything which we have declared before, or anything which we wanted to print on the output screen, means this printf is used in order to print the output. Okay, so this is what the basic C program. So see here, int is the data type of this a, and then CLR SCR function is used in order to clear the previous output of the previous program. So printf function is used in order to print the current value of EA. Okay, so here getch function is used in order to so whenever we use this void function, so here you may use int. So in that case you need not to use this CLR SCR screen and getch. Instead of this you will be using return. So return 0 likewise. Okay, so this is what the basic C programming. Okay, so likewise here the flow will be from top to bottom approach, right? So here also this is based on some conditions. Okay, so these selection statements are again classified into two. They are if statements and then switch. In the same way, again if is again divided into 4, that is simple if, and then if else, nested if, nested if else, and then else if. Okay, so likewise, so this if is again broadly categorized into 4, that is simple if else, nested if, and else if. So switch is only the switch itself. Next, so these loop control statements are again classified into 3. So they are while, do while, and for. So likewise, the loop control statements are again broadly classified into 3, that is while, do while, and for. Loop control statements are used whenever if we wanted to execute the particular part of the code repeatedly, means in such a case we'll be using these loop control statements. Okay, and then these jump statements. So C programming provides 3 jump statements. They are break, continue, and then we have go to. So this is what the entire structure of our control statements. Control statements are broadly categorized into 3, that is selection statements. Selection statements are also known as decision making statements, and then loop control statements, in the same way jump statements. And next, selection statements or the decision making statements are broadly categorized into 2. So that is if and switch. So here's if again is divided into 4, simple if else, nested if, and else if. So switch only switch itself. And then loop control statements are also divided into 3 categories, that is while, do while, and for. In the same way jump statements. So jump statements are used whenever we wanted to break the particular condition. So we'll be discussing in detail regarding these jump statements, loop control statements, and selection statements in upcoming videos. So if you people wanted to learn the complete C programming, means you just subscribe to our channel Start E-Learning. So go to playlist, there the complete C programming will be displayed. You just go through our videos. Hope you people are understood with these control statements. Let me know in comment section, guys. Okay, thank you.